I'm reviewing the Trudeau Maison stainless steel garlic press. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself and grabbing a great deal, be sure to check the links down below during the video. You ever have one of those moments in the kitchen where you're just tired of wrestling with tiny garlic cloves, getting your fingers sticky, and still not getting that full, fresh flavor you were hoping for? That was me, until I started using the Trudeau Maison Ergonomic Stressless Garlic Press. What immediately stood out was how sturdy this thing feels. It's made from durable die-cast zinc, and it's got some weight to it, but in a good way. It doesn't feel flimsy like other presses I've tried. The ergonomic, soft grip handles let me crush even the fattest cloves without breaking a sweat. Seriously, I barely had to squeeze. One of my favorite features? The built-in cleaning aid. I didn't have to poke around with a toothpick or waste time scrubbing. Just flip it open, rinse, and toss it in the dishwasher. That's right, it's 100% dishwasher safe. The garlic flavor this thing extracts is incredible. I whipped up a homemade garlic butter last weekend, and the aroma hit me like I was in a gourmet kitchen. The press really gets the job done efficiently and cleanly, and for someone who cooks nearly every night, that makes a huge difference. Now, I will say it's a little on the heavier side, so if you prefer ultralight tools, that might be something to consider. But for me, that solid build means it's going to last a long time and handle even tough cloves without flexing. If you're someone who loves cooking with garlic but hates the mess and hassle, this garlic press is a total game changer. I highly recommend checking it out, and if you want to grab one for yourself at a great price, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.